Today, we are diving deep into the world of pumpkin seeds. Did you know that these tiny yet mighty seeds are packed with incredible health benefits? First and foremost, pumpkin seeds are a rich source of essential nutrients. They are packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These powerhouses also contain vitamins and minerals like magnesium, zinc, and iron, which are vital for maintaining a healthy body. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds are great for heart health, too. They are known to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Snacking on these seeds may also help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a perfect choice for individuals with diabetes. Pumpkin seeds can even boost your immune system. They contain antioxidants that can help fight off harmful free radicals and strengthen your body's defense mechanisms. Plus, their anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body and promote overall well-being. Now, before you go pumpkin seed crazy, there are a few restrictions to keep in mind. While pumpkin seeds are generally safe to consume, some people may experience digestive discomfort if they eat them in large quantities. It's always a good idea to enjoy them in moderation. Also, if you have a diagnosed nut allergy, consult your doctor before introducing pumpkin seeds into your diet. While they are technically seeds, some individuals with nut allergies may still have a reaction. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to pumpkin seeds. They are a nutritional powerhouse, promoting heart health, boosting the immune system, and offering a wide range of essential nutrients. Enjoy them in moderation and reap the benefits of these versatile and delicious seeds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips and tricks.